Replacing a toilet's wax ring is easy with long-lasting Hercules Johni-Rings. First, disconnect the water supply and drain the tank until it's empty. Use a wrench to remove the nuts. Next, gently rock the toilet side to side to break the old wax seal. Remove the toilet. Scrape away the existing wax ring, remove the bolts, and clean the area. Plug the hole with spare rags to prevent unwanted gases from escaping. Secure the new Johnny bolts to the flange. Peel the Johnny ring from the clean release tray and place it onto the flange. Then gently lower the toilet onto the bolts and press down on the bowl to create a watertight seal on the Johnny ring. Use the washers and nuts to secure the toilet in place. Trim bolts if needed, replace bowl caps, and reconnect the water supply. Behold the power of Hercules. Products built to last and trusted by plumbers to withstand even the toughest conditions.